Hi guys, I'm Yibei. I'm currently a first-year student at ESSEC, and I'm in the main program. In French, I guess it's called Grande École, which is also called Master in Management. So now I have been to France for 2 months, and I've studied here for 2 months. I really want to show you around our campus and show you what's inside at ESSEC. Oh, by the way, I'm currently standing in the park just next to our school. Let's see this park first. So welcome to the front door of ESSEC. In my right side, it's ESSEC 2023. It's still under construction, but it finished in 2023. And in my left side, it's a famous column building at ESSEC. Every student will take their first picture at ESSEC with this building. You don't believe? You can search it on Instagram. So now let's go inside. Enlighten, lead, change. These are 3 words you will say every time you enter the front door. Even I'm not a very ambitious person, I'm still motivated by them. As long as you enter the front door with your student ID, here is a little downside square, and I call this a pool because it looks just like a pool. It's a pool at the normal time, but when some association, when the school want to hold some events, it will even become a dance pool, a seminar pool, whatever the pool you want. Let's go to cafeteria. It's the most important place at the whole campus, I think. This is our cafeteria where we eat almost every day with our friends, colleagues, even our teachers. It's like 2 floors, so seats are quite guaranteed. And this tree is like legend. This is my favorite tree in the school. It's standing just in the center of our cafeteria, just like a broccoli, but a giant broccoli. You can see here like a little boulangerie. You can get croissant, pastry here, and a mini Starbucks. Just next to the cafeteria, there is a common space. It's surrounded by building, but open to sky, so it's quite private and relaxing at the same time. I really like here. You can chat, you can read, you can eat your dinner, you can eat your lunch, you can do whatever you want to do here. So it's like a secret garden in our campus. In case you will feel quite lost, we came back to the pool again, the front door again. We will start from here and turn right there, because even for me, now the whole campus is like quite a maze. So let's go. Because a lot of people there, I need to put my mask on. Let's go again. Amphi is like a school hall in our school, so they will invite so many guests. They will hold many events like ESSEC Talk here. The first day I came to ESSEC is for a freshman seminar here, so it's quite special for me.
A large part of you from international higher education path, some of you from a French higher education path, and congratulations to you.
I have nothing to say more about Petit Effet. It's just there are so many classrooms. You will attend like 50% of your courses here, and the most interesting part about this building is very cute, very shining, very bright stairs. Just because I really love this stairs, so we go upstairs from this. Ta-da! This is the second floor. Now we are going to the gagnon. Also, I don't know what's like the name mean for like gagnon, onion. On the way to gagnon, we will pass the library, so I can show you what the library looks like. Watch your steps. This is the second floor of our cafeteria, which I didn't show you before. But by passing the second floor of cafeteria, we can go to library, and we can go to gagnon and dorm. We can see so many like green and blue color. It means we come to the K lab, which is knowledge lab. Here is the gagnon. So gagnon, basically it's a place for you like to study by yourself. I have my math course, accounting course, finance course, a bunch of courses here. And you can also reserve some room in the third floor of gagnon. So this is dorm where we hold big scale event like same company, same firm, and climate day. You will meet a lot of friends here by those events. You see, this is quite big. Our ESSEC campus is pretty enough. Every corner is well designed. And people here, they are all energetic, smart, and creative. I'm so thrilled to play and work with them in the next few years. And if you have any question about our school, or if you want to join us, you can find me here. Contact me, like me, comment down below. Yeah, I need your support. Yeah, come to ESSEC and we can play together. Yeah, thank you. See you next video.